How to create a guild in Marvel Rivals. So first you simply need to click on the tournament section here at the top. Once you're there, go to faction, just besides this Marvel Rivals Championship header. Now once you're there, just go to create faction right here. And it will bring you to this page where you can input the faction name or the guild name that you want. So just simply enter the guild name. So let's say I want to make it the Avengers or something. Now for the abbreviation, it's up to you. You could go with, oh, the faction name is already in use, so we could just simply make another one. So fortunately, this faction name or guild name is good. Now you just simply need an abbreviation. So I'm just gonna simply go with CV, just like that. So for the primary language, it's up to you. I'm just gonna set it to English, and the tag is already taken, so I cannot use that. I'm gonna try HV, and yep, still in use. So this works just fine. Now I'm gonna go to the rank required. So it's up to you if you want on what the rank of your members will be. So I'm just gonna say or set it to none, so anyone can join. And you could also set it to free to join or apply to join. I'm gonna go with apply to join right here. And for the region, since I live in Asia, so I want to play with players with the same ping as me, so there won't be any conflicts. I'm just gonna set it to Asia and go with PC since I'm on PC. Now you could also set an announcement right here if you want. So I'm just gonna say, hello guys, come join my faction. Now you could also customize your emblem right here. Let's say I want this one. This looks pretty nice, or maybe I'll go with this. Then now I'm gonna click on save and click on create faction. And now as you can see, the faction has already been created, and now you have your own guild. And I could also display the progress in tournaments or something like that. And you could also click on view applications to view the pending applications. And that's basically it.